Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. The protagonist of Chrisley Knows Best was previously convicted of fraud and tax evasion in 2022 and was sentenced to 7 years in prison. The alumni of Chrisley Knows Best federal magistrates have vacated Julie Chrisley's 7-year prison sentence for tax evasion and bank fraud, as they determined that her case lacked sufficient evidence. The convictions of Julie, her husband Todd Chrisley, and their accountant Peter Tarantino were upheld by a 3-judge panel of the 11th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals on Friday, June 21. However, the panel determined that the original trial judge had incorrectly calculated Julie's sentence in 2022. Todd Chrisley was sentenced to 12 years in prison. Julie was held accountable for the entire bank fraud scheme, which commenced in 2006, as per the judge's ruling, which was obtained by POPLE. However, the judges were unable to establish that she was implicated prior to 2007. The panel determined that neither the trial judge nor the prosecutors presented any specific evidence demonstrating her involvement in 2006. The issue is that we have not been able to locate the evidence that the district court used to make that determination, the justices stated in their ruling on Friday. Even by a preponderance of the evidence, our examination of the record has not disclosed any evidence that Julie was involved in 2006. The judges also noted that the government's brief acknowledges that the evidence indicates that Julie participated in the bank fraud conspiracy from 2007, not 2006. Julie's case will be remanded to a subordinate court for resentencing, allowing a judge to re-evaluate the narrow issue of the extent to which her sentence should differ from its original. Alex Little, the attorney for the Chrisleys, stated in a statement to People, "We are pleased that the court has determined that Julie's sentence was unjust. However, we are understandably disappointed that Todd's appeal was denied. We can now challenge the couple's convictions on the basis of the illegal search that initiated the case, as this step has been completed," Little continued. The family is grateful for the ongoing assistance they have received during this process, and they are optimistic about the possibility of receiving additional positive news in the future. On Friday, June 21, Savannah Chrisley, the daughter of the couple, posted an Instagram update regarding the ruling. She addressed the appeal directly to the camera. In the video, Savannah, 26, stated that the outcome was not as anticipated. "But we do have a little win. The ruling indicates that the appeals court was unable to identify any evidence that attributed the $17 million loss amount to my mother." She continued, "And for that, I am grateful, and I hope and pray that the judge can send her home." Savannah added that Julie could be released from prison as early as 2026 and that she had some other ideas up my sleeve to revisit her father's case. This decision is made nearly 1 year after Savannah disclosed in July 2023 that her family had engaged a new legal team to contest Todd and Julie's case. Todd and Julie's attorney, Jay Sargent, provided an update on the couple's appeal procedure to People that same month, stating that new filings were being submitted. Sargent explained at the time that the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals has the option to either reverse the district court or remand the case for hearings that should have been held but were not during the course of this trial. "We made a strong argument that their constitutional rights were violated and that they were not given a fair hearing. In reality, it is all in black and white," he concluded. The former USA Network personalities were initially indicted by a federal grand jury in August 2019 for 12 counts of bank and wire fraud, tax evasion, and conspiracy. They have denied all of the charges. The couple and their accountant were accused by prosecutors of evading nearly $2 million in state taxes between 2008 and 2016. Additionally, they were accused of concealing over $1 million in reality TV income from the IRS through their production company, 7C Production. Todd was also accused by prosecutors of instructing an employee to fabricate income and asset documents. Subsequently, the Chrisleys surrendered and entered a plea of innocence. The Georgia Department of Revenue absolved them of the state tax evasion charge in October 2019. The department discovered that the reality personalities had overpaid their taxes for several years and had a net liability of under $77,000 in overdue taxes for 1 year of incorrect filing. In June 2022, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution reported that the couple and their accountant were judged guilty of all charges in a federal court in Georgia. Additionally, Julie was found guilty of wire fraud. Todd is scheduled to be released from the federal prison Camp Pensacola in September 2032, and the Chrisleys commenced their prison sentences in January 2023. September 2023 also saw a reduction in the length of their original sentences. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our America People News YouTube channel for more update news.